Upgrading your lawn care arsenal to clear heavy autumn leaves, wet debris, and stubborn yard waste without wrestling with gas fumes, full cords, or loud engine noise usually means transitioning to a high-output cordless electric system. The EGO Power Plus 880 CFM cordless electric leaf blower, 2-battery kit, LB8803-2, redefines high-performance outdoor power equipment by combining commercial-grade air volume, advanced turbine engineering, and a dual-battery power platform into a robust, zero-emission tool. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its advanced high-efficiency brushless motor paired with an axial fan design. Instead of struggling with underpowered handheld blowers that bottleneck on dense piles of wet leaves, this beast delivers an astonishing 880 CFM of air volume at up to 215 miles per hour, matching and often exceeding the heavy-duty clearing force of traditional backpack gas blowers without the hassle of fuel mixing. Performance and everyday versatility streamline heavy property cleanups across sprawling lawns, driveways, and large yards. Powered by two included 56V ARC lithium batteries, the system ensures extended runtime, so you can tackle big jobs without interruption. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by a variable speed trigger with a lock-on cruise control dial, allowing you to lock in your preferred airflow speed for fatigue-free operation during long clearing sessions. Its ergonomic balance and included interchangeable nozzle attachments give you precise control over concentrated air streams or wide coverage areas. Things to consider before you buy. Because this high-output blower pushes massive air volumes using dual heavy-duty batteries, the unit carries a substantial physical footprint and noticeable weight when both cells are loaded, meaning you may want to utilize a shoulder strap during prolonged clearing sessions. Additionally, storing and charging two high-capacity 56V lithium batteries requires dedicated garage shelf space and a compatible dual charging setup. So who is this really for? This high-capacity cordless leaf blower is an absolute home run for homeowners with large wooded properties, professional landscapers, and property managers who demand gas-feeding power, instant push-button starts, and zero-emission maintenance. If you are looking for a lightweight, low-power sweeper to clear light dust off a tiny front porch or patio, a smaller compact blower will better suit your daily needs. Is it worth the money? If you value a massive 880 CFM airflow capacity, 215 miles per hour airspeed, the convenience of a dual 56V battery kit, and the sheer power of gas-free performance wrapped in an ergonomic package, it is a premier, elite investment for effortless yard maintenance.